5 cat facts in 30 seconds. Ready? Cats can rotate their ears almost 180 degrees. A cat's nose print is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Cats spend a huge part of their lives sleeping. Their whiskers help them understand the world around them. And here's a surprising one: purring doesn't always mean happiness. Cats sometimes purr when they're stressed or uncomfortable too. Cats are way more complicated than they pretend to be. Follow for more cat facts and responsible cat care.